am here with my baby Alejandro. I'm gonna present to you a special delicious salsa. And you're gonna need any type of oil spray. The next ingredient is tomatoes. So I'm gonna make a big batch of salsa. So I decided to pick all these rainbow colors from the farmer's market yesterday. And so I have some heirloom tomatoes. We're gonna need some fresh garlic and a medium onion, and we're gonna need some peppers. Now you can choose any peppers that you want. And we are also gonna need some salt. I always have with me Himalayan salt. Okay, well let's get it started. I'm gonna spray some avocado oil in my pan. I'm gonna wait until these tomatoes are kind of roasted in the bottom, but meanwhile I'm gonna have to put a lid on top. I didn't have a lid to cover my pan because it's so big, so I just used a aluminum foil. We're gonna turn our tomatoes, and you'll see the color I'm talking about. So that is perfect. Oh my goodness, this is perfect. And I absolutely recommend you to buy tomatoes from your local farmer's market. And so this is how they're supposed to look. I'm just gonna put the aluminum foil back on and let it cook for a few more minutes. Okay, our tomatoes are ready. So you just take the lid off or the top off, and you see those juices on the bottom, and these tomatoes are completely done. So they feel like the big ones, they still feel firm on the inside, which is perfect. And the little ones are gonna be soft, which is great too. I'm excited about this salsa. Okay, we're gonna continue with the next step. Now the chiles might cook faster. They are actually gonna cook faster than the onions or the garlic. And what you wanna do is just to keep an eye on them and toast them. Flip them around. These onions and garlic and the chiles are perfectly done. Okay, let's just blend our ingredients. I'm gonna put everything on the blender. Now I'll put half of the mix of the tomatoes, and then I will put some chiles and the garlic and the onions. I want the chiles and the onions and the garlic to mix thoroughly and well before I add the rest of the tomatoes, because then when I add the rest of the tomatoes, then I'm not gonna blend it for so long. When something goes wrong, when you taste it and you know something doesn't taste right or needs a little bit more flavor, a lot of the times it's because it needs a little bit more salt. And so be adding little by little. If you feel like that salsa is not the best, just add more salt, and then taste it again. And if it's not there yet, just add a little bit more, and then you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, now that my ingredients are mixed well, it's still a little bit chunky, right? So I'm gonna add the rest of the tomatoes. It's done, yeah. Good job. Okay, our salsa is done. Push the button. Good job. And we have this gorgeous, tasteful salsa. And I am going to store my salsa in this mason jar. I'm going to put it right in my yards. And look how much salsa we got. out of those 12 tomatoes. Pure deliciousness.
I'm gonna taste it.
You want to taste it?
Yeah.
He wants to taste it. Okay, let's put the lid. You put the lid. I hope that you enjoy this salsa. You can mix it to your tacos, and enchiladas, chilaquiles, sopes, tostadas. I can keep going on and on and on. Now, I will say to you something that my grandma always says to me. Work hard, progress, and help others. We are here to work hard, progress, and help others.
Mommy.
Have a wonderful week. I love you. Mwah. Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, besito. Bye.